Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create Lazada account. To create Lazada account, first you can either go to the sign up page in lazada.com from your browser or download the Lazada application on your mobile phone from the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I have already downloaded the Lazada application, so tap open the application. In the home page, tap on the account section located on the bottom right. Now tap on sign up. You can create account on Lazada using your mobile number. Once you enter your valid number, you have to tap on send code via SMS and then you will get a code on your mobile number. And then you can use that code for verification and signing up your Lazada account. You can also create account on Lazada using your Facebook account, your Google account or the Line account. Here, I'll be using Google account. Before signing in, make sure that you have read the security and privacy policies by tapping on security and privacy. After this, go back. You also have the option to enable fingerprint authentication. If you want, you can disable this authentication by tapping on the toggle button right next to enable fingerprint authentication. After this, choose one of the given methods to sign in. Here I will be using Google account. Tap on Google account icon. Select your Google account. You can complete your account details by adding your phone number or you can fill it in later. I will tap on fill in later. And here you go. You have successfully created Lazada account. Now you can log into your Lazada account through the Lazada application or the official website lazada.com. Then you can enjoy purchasing various items that you prefer in Lazada. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.